In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide text in Adobe Acrobat. So the best way to do this is using the redact tool. And to achieve it, you simply want to open your document, you want to go to the right hand side under search tools, and you want to type in redact. When you do so, you can see redact text and images, and you want to click on it. And then from here, first, you want to customize the color you want to use. So by default, if I try to kind of hide the text like this, for example, it's going to turn black or gray or whatever you have it set to. So of course, if you want to change this, you can simply go up here, click on this arrow next to redact text and images, and you want to go to properties. In here, inside properties, you can change the redacted area fill color. So by default, usually it's black, but you can change it to whatever. Like for example, I'm going to do this light blue right now. And then you can also use overlay text if you want to and change the opacity and stuff like this. So I'm just going to click on OK like this. And then if I try to basically hide text, I can go over text and I can just highlight it like I would if I were using a highlighter. And it's basically going to mark it right now. And as you can see, it's the color I selected. Or I can just go and drag rectangles around it, and that way kind of set a bigger area where I want a redaction. Now after you're done with this, after you have selected all the text you want to hide, simply click on the apply button top right. This is going to get applied and your text is going to get hidden, and then all people are going to see is basically kind of these colored rectangles, and the text below won't be able to be seen or copied or whatever. So that's the best way to hide text. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.